Hello everyone! In this video we'll talk about budgerigars. The habitat of wild budgerigars is Australia and some nearby islands, in particular Tasmania. They lived in these places for millions of years. Individuals are noisy and talkative. They quite easily remember words and expressions, which they repeat many times when communicating with humans and even with other pets. The feathers on the forehead of a male budgerigar have an interesting property. They fluoresce under the influence of ultraviolet rays. The human eye is able to see this glare only in the dark, but parrots can distinguish it even in bright sunlight. Under natural conditions, the presence of fluorescence plays an important role when females choose a nesting partner. The budgerigar puck was listed in the Guinness Book of Records as the most talkative in 1994. Puck knew 1728 words. Budgerigars can turn their heads 180 degrees. Parrots have very good eyesight and hearing. They see the world in color with a very wide viewing angle and hear sounds between 400 and 20,000 Hz. Budgerigars are able to imitate sounds, human speech, and the voices of other animals. Their vocabulary is usually 100 to 150 words. The most interesting facts about budgers. These are the most popular birds. These birds see a colorful world and are able to distinguish 150 images per second, while humans distinguish only 16. In nature, they are able to mate for life. Their body temperature is about 41 degrees. Parrots can be either right-handed or left-handed. Parrots sleep 10 to 12 hours a day. The average life expectancy ranges from 8 to 25 years. How to care for a budger so that it lives longer? If you have purchased a healthy young parrot, then its fate and longevity are in your hands. How long it lives depends not only on the availability of food and drink in the cage. Here's what else is important for a long and happy life for budgers: good nutrition, spacious cage and hygiene, walking and flying outside the cage, easy routine and healthy sleep, lack of stress, communication with a partner and with a person. Parrots are noisy birds. They chirp loudly, especially in response to sudden sounds. If you like silence, you definitely shouldn't get a bird. Parrots are also social birds. They need the attention of their owner. Without communication, they become sad and quickly run wild. Stop sitting on your hand and pecking. If you decide to get a bird, give it enough attention.